I hope you all are doing very good work at home and studying very hard for your exams. So this is the new session for the chapter, that is our magnetic effect of current, that is chapter number 13, and this is Khushbu, your physics teacher, and we are going to learn this chapter, remember each and every very key points very hardly. Okay, so let us see the starting part that the name suggests, magnetic effects of electric current. So that obviously gives us an idea that electric current is also producing magnetic field around it. Okay, we have seen the various components of electric current in the chapter electricity, and what we have seen, we have already seen that this electric current produces heat. So in the same manner, electric current also produces magnetic field. So students, I hope you all are familiar with the thing, what is magnet actually. So it is an object which attracts other objects like iron, steel, etc. And when there is a magnet at home, it is a very good thing for the students to play. Even I used to play with the magnets and I used to keep it attracting with the other different things. Okay, but here we can see that this is not all. Magnets are not attracting each and everything that is surrounding us. Okay, it just attracts several components that are components of iron. Okay, mainly because steel is also made up of iron. Iron constituents are there, and in steel, you know, iron and manganese mix together to form steel. Okay, so we can say that this magnet attracts the components of iron. Okay, and cobalt also. So yeah, here is the magnet, as you can see. So I hope you are understand that this magnet is having two different poles here, and we are going to discuss each and every point here in this video very briefly, that what is north pole, what is south pole, and what is all the components, that how the magnetic field and the magnet has been made. So earlier in the previous time, the magnet has been like there was a story related to a person whose name was Magneto. Okay, he was a shepherd, and what happened, once he was roaming here and there with his ships, that he used to have a stick with it, so that he gave to direction to the sheeps. Okay, that sheeps now, when once upon a time what happened, that stick is stick to like जो उनका थी लकड़ जो होती है, that is stick to some rock. Okay, तो वो rock जो है, so he supposingly tell that what is this, because in earlier time it is used to be like black magic is there or something like that, but actually that was magnet. And because the magnet earlier was not named with certain kind of, like, we do not know what is magnet actually, but because he found it like, yeah, here is this certain kind of rock in which if we stick any such thing that is made up of iron or any metal, that is going to be attract that rock. Okay, अब आप लोग सोचोगे कि वो तो लकड़ी की बनी हुई थी, तो उससे कैसे attract हुई? Actually, on the top of it, it was covered with some iron part. It was emblem with the iron part, and that thing get attract to that rock. So by the name of the magneto, it gets the name of magnet, and he was a shepherd, and by the thing, then we later on, after the scientific study on it, what we came to know, that magnet itself is made up of iron constituents. Okay, that is known as ferromagnet. Okay, iron is known as ferric. It is a chemical name of iron. Okay, you know that the symbol for iron is also Fe. Yeah, so ferric, ferrous and ferric component, where there are various of components of iron. So alignment of the electrons and atoms, that is revolving in an atom here, made in such a manner that make it a magnet. कुछ iron atoms होंगे जो कि normally treat कर रहे, like it is a normal iron, like this iron nail. Okay, but here in the case of magnet, what had happened, the electrons that are revolving around the nucleus are revolving in such a manner that it is generating such kind of field around it that going to be attract other iron normal atoms. Okay, so we can say that kind of thing is a magnet. and later on we have studied this thing. So it is all component. Magnet itself is made up of iron. Okay, so this is magnet and it is a component. It has been made up of iron. That is the thing. And what is this? This is attracting the iron, steel and cobalt parts. So this is what the introduction part, and now we are going to take other topics that are going to be very important for this chapter.